Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equal to s to the power of 3 because this one that's about s to the power of 3 to the power of 2. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have 3s squared dx because we don't have number 3 in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S squared dx we change by the u over number 3. So the integration of this one, that is about arctan of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. Now let's go to the next one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. So we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 1 minus s to the power of 7. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to u du equals to negative number 7s to the power of 6 dx. Because we don't have negative number 7 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 7. The square root we change by u. S to the power of 6 dx we change by this one. So negative number 2 over 7 multiplied by number 3. We have negative number 6 over 7. U and u, we have u squared. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. So number 6 divided by number 3. You got about number 2. About u, we can change into this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.